Our topic of discussion today is the classes, the forms of questions and tag question. There are three classes of question in English: yes no question, WH question, alternative question. So we make a beginning with yes no questions, which are formed by placing helping verb in the beginning and a rising tone. For example, has the flight left? Is Geeta waiting for the arrival? Were the crew exhausted? Could he board the plane? Will he be available at the airport? Does she like the morning sortie? Was she late? Has she got a flu? Did anyone phone her? Do you live anywhere nearby? In all these sentences, helping verb or auxiliaries serve as operator verb and they are placed before the subject. We have been using be form of the verb: is, am, are, was, were, be, being, been, has, have, had. So all these auxiliaries plus modern auxiliaries can be used to formulate question. Continuing with the question form, then yes no question, they have a limited semantic role, and either you can say yes or you can say no. So don't you believe her? Hasn't the instructor told you what to do? Can't you keep the aircraft straight on the taxiway? Aren't you ashamed of bad behavior? Didn't he warn you? Did she not warn you? Haven't they boarded the plane? Have they not left? Now these are the examples of questions, especially yes no questions in English. We take now the next step and discuss tag question, which are generally appended to the yes no question. The optimal conduciveness is expected in the case of tag question. Example, the flight has departed. Has it? So has it is the example of the tag question. Jane joined him. Did not she? So in this sentence, did not she is the tag. She hasn't flown before. Has she? So had she is the tag with the question. She knows the crew, doesn't she? So doesn't she is the tag with the statement. Your co-pilot is outside. Is he? Is he is the example of another tag with this statement. You have had a bird hit. Have you? So she likes flying. Does she? And some more example of tag with imperative and exclamative sentences. Open the cabin. Won't you? Open the cabin, can't you? Hand me a cable, want somebody? Turn on the engine, will you? Save me a seat, can one of you? Have another cup, why don't you? Don't make a noise, will you? Let us make another sortie, shall we? So, want you, can't you? Want somebody, will you? Can one of you? Why don't you? Will you? Sortie, etc. Shall we? Are all the examples of tag question in this statement. Some more example with the question now: how thin she is, isn't she? What a wonderful sight, isn't it? These are examples of exclamation. How odd, isn't it? They did not forget to attend the meeting, am I right? Isn't not that so? Don't you think? Won't you say? Are all examples of tag question with the statement they did not forget to attend the meeting. She passed the test, right? So right here is the tag. You realize what the risks are, I gather, trust and hope. These are the tags. Now the next set of classes of the question is called WH question, and they have a wide range of answers. Whoever opened the door hood, which button have you pressed? Whose headgear are these? How long did she fly? When will you test fly? Where shall I put my laptop? Why are they always creeping? How did you mend it? How much you care? So all these are the examples of WH question which can have any kind of broad range of answers. How long you have been flying? How often you take to sky? Who has had the chance to fly? Why didn't you do it? Who said what to whom? What have you been hiding? Where did they collide? Who did she hit and why? Now the next set of questions are called alternative questions, and they give the user of the language a choice between certain answers. Would you like to fly a fighter jet, a commercial plane, or a chartered one? So look at the choices available. The person can fly a fighter, a commercial plane, or chartered one. These are the alternative choices. Shall we go by this or next flight? Are you ready or not? Do you want tea, coffee, or soft drink? Will you like to drive or relax? Are you coming or going? Would you rather have low speed or would you rather have lower altitude? Are you joining classes today or not? Will you stay or move in pandemics? Do you buy economy or business class ticket? Some more examples of exclamatory question which express an exclamation or expression of emotion. Hasn't she passed the medical examination? Wasn't it a marvelous ride or idea? Did she look annoyed? What other dungeon is so dark as one's own heart? How ought to fly in rough weather? Where to go in the time of pandemic? How awful to stay indoors these days. What a perfect landing. Was the baby with the lady flyer exhausting? Will Desperado blow the plane? Isn't it fun to fly in the clear sky? The last set of questions are called rhetorical questions, and they have some inbuilt answers, so they are called rhetorical question. Is that the reason for anger? Can anyone doubt you will fly? Isn't the answer obvious? Who cares? How should I know? What should I say? What makes you think you will be a better pilot? What has she ever done for you? Who doesn't know? Who could not miss classes in Banasili? So these are the set of questions and tag questions for your practice. Thank you.